So we are live from Bali, and we're going to talk a little bit about our third Kickstarter, which is the stain and odor repellent pique polos and t-shirts.
Yeah, we have a lot of backers with this campaign, which we're incredibly grateful for. And with a lot of backers also comes a lot of questions. We're going to try to answer all the burning questions today. So we also brought two of our colleagues, and they will be our model today for all our live demos. So stay tuned. So the first question for today, Casper, is the technology real and how does it work?
If the technology is real, yes, I can confirm it's 100% real. It works because we're doing the production, weaving the fabric in a certain way, and adding the technology to it. So when you see it and when you feel it and so on, it's like a completely normal piece of fabric, but with technology on top of it.
So, and how does it work?
I think that's easier to show than to tell.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's go to Eric and Bart.
So, this is our beautiful polo. As you can see, we made it a cutaway color, slightly smaller than on a traditional polo. And we thought it was really, really nice to hide most of the buttons and only show the top one here. It will have 3 buttons, so you decide how sexy you want to be. And we made it 2 centimeters shorter than on our t-shirt fit because, that's what you do with traditional polos. And then it's sort of a semi-slim fit. So it's quite nice and airy and fits what we think is around 90% of all male bodies.
Always love pouring some stuff.
So the funny thing here is that we put a protective layer around the fibers of the fabric. So even if there's small holes in the fabric, in order to have the breathability, all the fluids will stay outside of it. Or if you pour with a really high water pressure, it will make Bart's body wet on the inside, but the fabric remains dry.
So next question. Can you tell more about the pique fabric and why it's so special for LABFRESH?
Well, I think it's mainly special because it turned out to be so much harder to make than we initially thought. We spent almost a year on it, and it's because, I don't know if you can see it here through the lighting, but a pique construction consists of tiny small holes. So when you try to make something with tiny holes in water repellent,
and it's very hard.
That's very hard to do without compromising on the breathability and how nice the fabric feels.
Yeah. And what is also very nice on the pique fabric is because it has an open structure, it's a very breathable fabric. So the next one is a bit more of a serious question. Are the treatments harmful for the environment?
That's easy to answer, that's no. But I understand why a lot of people are thinking that. And it often happens when you bring new innovations to the market that people are worried that it's going to be harmful to people or the planet and so on. So we of course make sure that everything we do have the right certifications, including Oecotex, Blue Sign and living up to the REACH regulations. And we also produce everything within the European Union because they have really strict regulations for use of chemicals in textiles. So then we can trust all of our suppliers.
So the last question is, will the treatment last forever?
Yeah, and that's not possible to make yet, but we are guaranteeing 100 washes for the odor repellency and for the antibacterial treatment, and 30 washes for the stain repellency. We would love to guarantee more, and we believe it can last longer, but we don't know how much each person sweat and what kind of laundry detergent you use and so on. So this is what we are comfortable giving a guarantee for. But it's still a great product even afterwards, and you're able to wear it for a lot of days, which means you wash it less, and then it can look good for a lot of time.
So maybe not 100% perfect yet, but at least the best polo shirt that there is on the market.
Yeah. It makes me really happy and proud to see how engaged people are and how many questions they ask and how many good advice that are going our way. So please keep that coming. We are always available via our website chat or Kickstarter messages. And if we say so ourselves, we're pretty fast at responding.
Yeah, we really care about responding fast, and we're so happy that you're backing us campaign. And for the ones who haven't yet, we're still live for a couple of days. So please help us in bringing this product to market. Goodbye from Bali.